guys, welcome back to Nubian's Fun Time. Today, I am at a brand new hotel, and if you haven't seen my last video, I went to Kalahari. Ooh, but I'm not going to tell you too much because you have to subscribe and watch the other video after this one. So, today, I am going bowling, and we are so excited to be going bowling. So we were just watching something. Here's Zion on his iPad, and Mommy's fixing the TV. Hey. So I'll see you guys. So, looking outside, it is snowing. Look at the train, if you can see it. But when it's at nighttime, it looks so beautiful. So I might show you guys how it looks at nighttime in the last part of the video. So I'll see you guys when we get to the bowling alley. Let's go. Okay guys, we are at the bowling alley right now. We are just waiting to get our lane. Because we're supposed to wait a whole hour for it. So we are just chilling here. I have Mommy right here. And I have
Zion over here. Come
Zion over here.
Look, so Nubian beat me on laser tag, okay guys? And so I have to get her back. So for all the mommies out there, we are Team Mommy, okay? I gotta get her back.
No, vote for me. Team Nubian. I think I'm gonna be here again. Because she never went bowling before. I mean, she went bowling, but she haven't did laser tag, so that's why I beat her. So I'm really happy to beat her again. And hopefully that's gonna happen.
Baby bowling, look at him. They about to get something. Let him get something. Oh, he ain't getting nothing. Look at this. He got 6, the rest of us have 0.
Hold on, son. Wait.
All right.
What is it?
No, it's still you, baby. It's still you.
Your turn. Go again, Zion.
Still you. Hey, get it, baby. Get it. Oh, man, we getting nothing but duds over here. Dang.
Let me try one. Maybe I want to try one for you. Show you?
Huh?
Want me to try one and show you?
Okay.
I'll go show her, okay? Let me show you.
Yeah, good job, Nubian.
Get it, girl. All right now. Oh. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. I got you. Go ahead, girl. You got this. Yeah, she gonna get some. Woo! Woo! All right, girlie.
19, that's how you do it.
That's how you do it, girl.
Do this.
Nubian won it. Scoreboard, Nubian is at 19.
Yeah, you will let that you dance.
Get it, girl. Oh, it's all right.
So guys, I played a few rounds, and look how much I have. I have, this is me, and I have 49-13 because we're doing another round.
All right.
And we have 8 minutes.
Second game.
This is Zion, me, my mom, and my dad.
Go.
We helped him get 70 just because ours was just messed up. And Zion, he's actually doing pretty good for a 5-year-old. So it is my turn, so my mom is gonna help me film.
Good, girl. Good. Get in there. You got another turn.
Zion, you're so professional. Every time it's playing everything. Oh, playing again. Come on.
Okay guys, we are back home now. I did my hair. How do you guys like it? I really like it too. So, I beat my mom by 1 point, or she beat me. Alright, I'm just joking. She did beat me, but by 1 point, I am gonna get that straight again. It's just the bowling balls are really heavy. I really tried my best, but it was down to 1 point. But I am very proud of myself, guys. So if you do lose, just be proud of yourself. It is totally fine if you lose. Just be proud of yourself. And I'm actually gonna have some videos where it's baking, and it's also gonna be my gaming, and so make sure you guys look that video too. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say, and make sure you subscribe to Nubian's Fun Time.